Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Lennon, and I just want to go over the syllabus and what the course is going to be like. I'll post the first lecture video sometime tomorrow, but for now, let's just go ahead and make sure we understand what's going on. So, as you know, for the first 2 weeks, we're going to be meeting online, so I'll just be recording videos and posting links to those. So I'll make a section over here, so I don't want to do that now. So So I'll post that here once I'm done with this video, and it'll be available for everyone, and I'll put it right here below the homework. So basically, the first four things are all we kind of really are going to be worried about. The announcements I'll post here; those will also get copied to your email, and then we have the syllabus. So the syllabus is here. So it's got my information, my email. When we meet in person, we'll be meeting from 6 to 8:20 in the main building, room 276. And then we have the description here, which kind of broadly talks about what we'll be covering in the course um, in a more, so let me just download this so I can make it larger. So if you want a more detailed analysis of what we'll be covering in the course, at the very bottom, the last page has all the learning outcomes. So again, we'll start with order of operations, simplifying expressions, and then as we move on, we'll deal with polynomials, radicals, all that sort of stuff, and then eventually we'll finish up with some trigonometry. I believe that's what we do at the end. So we have some trig, vectors, law of sines and cosines, and trigonometric equations, stuff like that. So basically, we cover a lot of topics from algebra, and then in the last 3 or 4 weeks, we'll be covering those from trigonometry as well. So you can go ahead and read through those, and you'll have kind of a understanding of what's going on. So basically, we'll have homework, 2 tests, and a final exam. The textbooks for this course are free, so you don't need to purchase anything. But that also means we won't have access to my math lab or any learning software. So basically, the homeworks are just going to be handwritten, and for the first 2 weeks, you're just going to have to scan them and then attach them to the Blackboard assignment. So we'll look at that in a second. But you can click on these at any time to see what the book looks like. So we have this text right here. It has the summary here, and then you can download a PDF copy here. And then we have another one here as well. So again, you can either view it or you can download it. So if you're worried about not being able to have access to the internet for some reason, you can download it, and then you can always have a copy available on your phone or computer. So additionally, there's also a link on every assignment. So I have the first homework assignment posted, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. It's just a Word file, so you can save it, open it up, and it has all these problems. So again, I'll post a lecture video going over these topics, which the first two are order of operations. Then we've got rules of exponents, and then we've got some radical notation. If you look at the link at the bottom, it gives you the link to the exact section that you're in as well. So if you click that, it'll take you exactly to the section of the textbook we're at. So we're at the same textbook we looked at earlier, and it's section 1.3. So this is the section where we're talking about the problems in the homework. So you can go ahead and go over that and have a try at the homework problems if you want. Like I said, tomorrow I'll post the first lecture video that will go over exactly what's going on there. And that'll just be a link to my YouTube channel that has a bunch of videos on it from all the classes I teach. So that should be able to guide you through it. And then if there's any questions, you can ask me, and I'll make a video to answer any questions that you have on particular problems. But okay, so how do you submit this? So basically, what you want to do is you want to print out the homework, write down your work and your answers. Remember to show all your work, and then you just want to click the black underlined homework number 1. And if you click that, it'll allow you to browse a local file So you can browse something on your computer, click the file and attach it. So what you want to do is you want to write down all your problems and either scan it or take a picture and then attach your file here and then just click submit when you're done. So that's how submitting the homework goes. And, hopefully it'll only be 1 or 2 assignments. And then when we're in person, you'll be able to just hand them in person. But probably I'll leave it so that you can submit them this way too. So if you miss a class, you can still submit your homework. But in addition to that, if we look back at the syllabus, the breakdown for the class in terms of grading is homework is 40% of your grade. There will be 2 tests, each worth 20% of your grade, and then a final exam that's cumulative. That'll be worth 20% of your grade as well. So that's it for tonight. Just have a look at the syllabus. Try to browse through the textbooks. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. And if you want to get a jump start, you can go ahead and work on homework assignment number 1. Otherwise, that's all. And this is Dr. Lennon signing off.